Hey, if you want to update your Nvidia drivers on the Windows 11, you got two options. The first one, you can just click on the taskbar on this arrow, and from here with the right mouse button you have to select this Nvidia settings and go into the Nvidia GeForce experience. Now just wait for this application. There we are. Now we have to go for the drivers, and from here we can check the drivers updates. So when you click on it, you can actually see information that there is some drivers available, and to get the latest version you will have to click to update. Now you'll have to wait for this downloading process, and after this you will be able to go forward and install. So let's wait for it. And now, as you can see, when the download is almost finished, it will hit the 100%. Now when you click on it, you can also check some information about this update. And now it is actually ready to be installed. So we can click this default installation process. We have to click yes if the additional video pop up. And now it is actually installing the latest drivers. Now you'll have to follow on-screen instructions, and that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.